Hello friends, let's start by explaining what you see on the screen. The screen is divided into 6 sections: metric, vertical piano, piano rolled, music sheets, scroll, video, control panel. In the upper part we have the metric, in which we can locate the exact point we want to start studying the song. The blue dot we see here in the metric will tell us the starting point when pressing play. The metric is divided by measured and subdivided by times or pulses. On the left we see the vertical piano, which has a blue dot that indicates the note C central. And in the bottom part of the video, you see the same dot with the also C central. This dot gives us the guide to place the hands on the piano keys. The piano roll is a canvas with black and gray horizontal stripes. The gray ones correspond to the black keys of the piano, and the black ones correspond to the white ones. Vertical gray stripes correspond to a half-time metric. Every 2 spaces is a time. The color bars indicate the notes that you are going to interpretate as the song is running. The red ones are interpreted with the right hand, and the blue ones with the left hand. You can also choose music sheets or piano roll. In the middle we find the scroll that allows us to move through the song. Example. Here we will see the control panel and we will see the play button. If we click directly on the video, the control panel disappears, and if we give it a new click, it reappears. By pressing the spacebar, we are giving play to the song and the panel will disappear. And when we press the spacebar again, we stop the song and the control panel appears again. The play can also be done directly with the mouse.